Hello fam, how you doing? In this video I want to teach you how to work with ACKs. ACKs are acknowledgement or as a feedback. You can send a message from the receiver side to the transmitter. So in this way you can get that if the message is sent or lost. Step by step I teach you how does it work and what is the functionality. But at first you should know that this is the final part of Nrf24lo1 tutorial. Then we go for making some projects. Let's do it. To start with, we want to send a message from transmitter to the receiver. Then get a feedback. The feedback is ACK. Feedback is ACK or acknowledgement message. So in this way we don't lose the message, and if the transmitter is not sure about that, can retry for it. In this system we say ACK or acknowledgement as a feedback to protect the message.
Now it's time to write our code and testify our project. Have you ever seen that two people are talking to each other? And for example, communicating in this way, I say hello to my friend and then stay up to hear something like, hi, how you doing? This is the transmitting and receiving data as a feedback. So we are simulating this connection IRL in our code between two Arduinos. At first I included two SPI.h and Nrf24 as two libraries which we can use it with the same address to communicate with each other. For example, I know Jack and Jack knows me, so we can communicate with each other. So at first the voice setups are the same because we both are humans. For example, I listen something, then I speak something. So open writing pipe, then open reading pipe on a pipeline 1, and it should be the same with the power of Nrf24 PA high. For example, I see my friend, then I start to speak. I say hello Arduino. Then when I stop listening, I transmit that data. I say send EGF receiver. Then I change the mood to start listening something and I stay up to 2 seconds. When I don't get anything, I say I didn't get any response. But if I get something, I say I got that and I buffer it, so I receive that response per 1 second. In the receiver side it is the same. Look at here. If radio.available, the character, up to 32 bytes data, we read that. Then we say we receive text. For example, Jack heard that I said hello. After 5 milliseconds, he changes the mood and say hello real Arduino, hello electronic game factory. So here he stops listening and transmitting the data, so the sent Arduino transmitter. And here he again changes the mood to start something, to start listening per 1 second. Now it's the time to testify a project and see what will be in IRL. Finally, I uploaded this code on my RC car controller, and here is the receiver side, which is my RC car robot, which you can see even I added to Nrf24lo1 for the next project. Please subscribe our channel and thumbs up the video. Bye bye.